Hi, I'm an English literature student and a CUT PG aspirant. So I'm here to share my CUT experience. CUT was a really wonderful experience. The whole process of preparation has helped me to get a deeper and detailed understanding of the language, that is English literature. That was my core course. The universities I prefer to pursue my PG are Delhi University, Hyderabad University, Pondicherry University, Central University of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, etc. The whole process of preparation of CUT was with Prepwise. Prepwise has really guided me in this whole process. Uh, they have uh, they have helped me to get a clear understanding of the syllabus. They've helped me with their live classes, topic classes, and live doubt clearing sessions with their topic test, mock test, etc. This was really helpful in this process and preparation. I should also mention about their mentorship team. They always guided me in clearing my doubts and assisted me with getting the updates from NTAs. This is very helpful in the preparation time. So I express my sincere gratitude and thank you for all the Prepwise team. Thank you so much. Thank you.